To start, add the Surface tab. In the side view, draw an ellipse with a horizontal diameter of 30 millimeters. Add a new plane using the side view as a reference. Draw a freehand curve. To generate the surface, select the Lofted Surface option, where you need to select the generated sketches. To create the hollow section, generate another plane, using the top view as a reference. Draw a circle. Project the circle onto the surface so the sketch is applied, allowing you to create the cut. Finally, select the Trim Surface option to perform the cut. Great! To practice, try doing it yourself by looking at the drawing and following these steps. Good luck!